Hi, my name is Kyra and I'm from Care About. Today we're going to be talking about the sorts of services that you can access underneath your home care package. Now this is a question that we get frequently because the home care package is consumer directed, which means you choose the sorts of services and care that you need in order to remain living at your home depending on your needs. So it's your choice, it's consumer directed, but you don't know what you don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through with you some of the most commonly accessed forms of support out of your home care package. Just remember that there are 4 different levels of home care package, and each home care package equates to an amount of government subsidies in order to keep you living safely at home. So a level 1 is approximately $9,000, a level 2 is approximately $15,000, a level 3 is approximately $33,000, and a level 4 is $51,000 a year in order for you to spend those subsidies on things that you want and need in order to remain living safely at home. So the best way to sort of define what you can get is to talk about what you can't get. So you can't pay for rent, you can't pay for food, but you can pay for food preparation. You can't pay for gambling or holidays or paying off your mortgage or anything else that might be subsidised by the government. So the big things that people get out of their home care package, things like cleaning, things like gardening, some home modifications such as rails in the bathroom or a ramp going up to the house. Things like meal preparation. So you can get ready-made meals delivered to your home, and approximately 70% of those meals can be paid for out of the home care package. So if each meal is $10, then approximately $7 can get paid out of the home care package. So these are the most common sorts of services that people use out of their home care package. But just remember, you're in control. You don't know what you don't know. So we've got lots of articles on our website giving you some ideas about the sorts of services that you may need, just so you can start to think about how you want to live at home and how you want to use those subsidies to best support you, because that is the essence of home care packages. Thanks.